55-mile-per-hour wind gust in Lincoln Park. And of course, we did see some damage earlier today from that. A tree crushed a car and a garage on the northwest side. WGN's Courtney Spinelli is live in Irving Park with those details.
Yeah, Alyssa, those strong winds this morning bringing down that tree, decimating a garage and downing power lines. Neighbors here along this alleyway tell us they're so glad nobody was injured, but unfortunately, they're not very shocked that this tree fell.
It was a big tree, super. I don't know how tall it was, but it was dead for years.
And on Tuesday morning around 11:30, it came crashing down, leaving a garage behind a home on North Keeler, reduced to a pile of wood and metal debris.
I've never seen anything like that happen. I mean, that garage is completely flattened by one tree. Jeez.
Earlier in the afternoon, part of the garage recognizable but destroyed. Now all that stands is a mountain of rubble and a car underneath it.
I heard like a buzzing and then like a bang, and that's when the lights went out.
Residents sharing what they heard as the tree came tumbling down.
We heard a big crack and like a lightning strike, which was probably the electricity wire hitting the ground. And then bam, it was on my garage right there.
Prashant says his garage has several holes in it, but his neighbor's garage took the brunt of the damage. Several doors down, Jessica Villanueva runs a daycare and says they were able to make do for most of the day, but eventually had parents pick up their children.
Well, it's been hours with no power, and we don't know when it's going to come back.
About 30 minutes after that, crews with ComEd were able to restore power to everyone in the area. As workers banded together, residents say their own neighbors also did the same.
We're a tight community here, and everyone's out and offering to help.
Now, we're told by several neighbors that they have made calls to report this tree in the past, but because it is on private property, they were told there really wasn't much that they could do. Now, it's not clear whether utility crews will be back out tomorrow to make any additional repairs to those power lines. But again, all power has been restored to neighbors who say they are thankful as the temperatures started to drop a bit more. And tonight, reporting live in Irving Park, Courtney Spinelli, WGN News.
All right, Courtney, thank you.